What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a coin that I'm personally invested in. I'm actually getting more of it today, and I'm really excited about this project. I'm going to be running over the ABC correction and really updating you guys on this coin because I've talked about it a couple times in the past. Before we get started though, if you guys are not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, because I'm dedicated to posting videos just like this one today to keep you guys updated and posted all through this bull market. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So as you guys can see, I am on the ENERGI Bitcoin chart right here on KuCoin. This is tradingview.com, and we are looking at the KuCoin prices. Now, one of my favorite personal chart patterns is the ABC correction, and we're actually looking at the prices versus Bitcoin. And as you guys can see, we have been in a downtrend versus Bitcoin since September of 2019. But this is actually a very, very good thing because I've seen this pattern happen many, many times in markets, and this type of an ABC correction provides a massive buying opportunity. The bottom of a C wave is the point of maximum financial opportunity in the market. It is also the point of maximum pain for any of the bulls that bought up here. And that means that it's a very, very high likelihood to see a reversal in this area. So this is just one of the reasons that I'm personally invested in ENERGI as a project. I also genuinely love the technology and the project as a whole and some of the things that they are working on with their decentralized exchanges and all sorts of exciting things that the ENERGI team is doing. And you guys, I personally expect this coin to see a reversal very soon. If we actually zoom into some of the smaller time frames here, what I'm watching for is either a double bottom near these lows down here and some type of a reversal here. This could be like a W reversal. It's not quite an inverse head and shoulders because the head doesn't go lower. Or it is technically possible that we could go for one more little low here. But even if we capitulated for one more micro low, I am still going to be long and accumulating energy here because I do expect a reversal very soon. And if we actually take the measurement from these lows out, we can measure potential percentage gains. So if we take the price range tool and go out, you can see that there's a 1200% gain from these lows out to the previous high, and that's 1200% versus Bitcoin. And that does actually mean something because if Bitcoin is going up to 250,000 per coin, yet ENERGI does 1200% versus Bitcoin, then that's a lot bigger percentage gain than 1200% versus the dollar. So if you're thinking in terms of the dollar, then that's actually an even bigger percentage gain than 1200%. But what I'm really looking for here is a reversal, the beginning of an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. We would like to see prices start to round out. It's very common for us to get a big rounded structure like this when markets bottom out. And then you get consolidation, accumulation, and then you get another breakout and continuation. So that's really exciting here from the chart perspective versus ENERGI versus Bitcoin. Now I am going to pull up versus the dollar with ENERGI too, so we can look at that as well, because they're both very bullish. So let me just pull this up right here, ENERGI versus the dollar. Now if we go into the 1 week time frame here, you guys can see the ENERGI versus the dollar has done a first cycle. So this is the first market cycle. And now it's doing a left to right translation. So basically that means that the market was in a bull market over here, and then it came into a bear market over here. And then it double bottomed, and it's translating from a bear market into a new bull market. Now what I do actually expect happening here is a break of the all-time high. This is actually an excellent opportunity for picking up this coin as we test major support levels. And you guys want to make sure that you stay clear till the very end of this video, because I am going to run over Bitcoin and Bitshares real quick, because I just want to keep you guys updated on those coins. This is the bottom of a mini ABC correction here. As you can see, there was 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then an ABC correction down. So I do expect this to see a 3-wave very soon. 3 waves by definition are bigger than 1 waves, so this could get very impulsive. It could even break the all-time high in this 3-wave. So I think it's an excellent time to be picking up energy token. This is not financial advice, it's my trading journal, but that is what I am doing currently, is getting some more energy token in my personal wallet, and I'm getting ready for more continuation and upside. So let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin for you guys, as well as Bitshares real quick. And today's going to be a little bit of a shorter video. I am traveling and I'm staying in a hotel, so I just want to make sure that I don't cause too much of a problem. I was singing my guitar a few minutes ago and apparently I'm getting noise complaints, so I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. Make sure that I don't frustrate anybody too much, even though sometimes people do need it a little bit. All right, so this is Bitcoin versus the 1 hour time frame here. And what I'm actually watching here with Bitcoin is it's a little bit of a janky pattern, because you have this huge wick over here on the left hand side. But if you ignore the wick, we are making an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. So I am watching for this to play out in Bitcoin. Also, you guys, if we take our Fibonacci retracement tool and go from the low to the peak, you can see that we're nearing the 618 and the 786 range, which is a very, very strong range for bouncing and reversals in the market. I can also count on the smaller time frames an Elliott wave count here pretty clearly. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. And then we have an ABC corrective wave down to these major support levels. And now I am expecting a 1, 2, and a 3 wave to come. So that's kind of my current count with Bitcoin. I'll keep you guys updated if that changes, but this is how I'm seeing the market currently. Looks very, very bullish to me. 3 waves are impulsive, so just like we're watching for a 3-wave in energy, a 3-wave in the smaller time frames on Bitcoin would be very, very bullish and very, very profitable. I'm also looking very closely here at this kind of wedge structure that's forming, because these falling wedges usually result in a very nice reversal. All right, now a quick update on Bitshares for you guys today on this beautiful day. So if you look at Bitshares versus the dollar on Poloniex, obviously everything panicked recently, so Bitshares wasn't left out in that shakeout. But you guys have to remember that volatility in markets exist. You don't want to get scared right when the whales are buying. So we can look at the Elliott wave structure here very clearly. There's an A, B, C correction. And buying the bottom of C waves almost always proves to be very, very profitable. And as you guys can see, we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a very big impulsive 5th wave here. And if we measure from the low of this cycle to the peak of this cycle, we also tested the 88% and the 786, which is a very strong point for reversals, and we're very oversold on the MACD. So I love that about Bitshares. As you guys know, I'm also bullish on Dogecoin, BSV, and pretty much when Bitcoin reverses, all the coins here on the top 100 list are going to see upside. Usually Bitcoin carries the rest of the market, so I 100% expect that to happen again, and I'm definitely watching for that. So keep your eyes out for the reversal on Bitcoin and for that to carry the rest of the market. Like I said, if I need to update you guys, I will. But for me, the market is very strong right now. I know people think it's crazy when I say that, but if you look at the fear and greed index, we have so much fear, yet we're just doing a perfect ABC correction inside of a massive uptrend. So in the big picture, the market is strong. Yes, in these shorter time frames, it looks weak, but when the market looks weak, Warren Buffett says, buy when others are fearful and or be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. And right now people are very fearful. The fear and greed index is all the way to the fear. And so I just genuinely believe that we're going to see a very powerful bullish reversal inside of these markets. So thank you guys for tuning in today's video. Check out my website. Links are in the description for that as well. You guys can become a VIP, and it's a really, really great community for you guys to share your analysis, look at the charts and the coins that I'm personally invested in and trading in, and really just take advantage of this market during the bull market and maximize your profits and double your profits. It also comes with some cool stuff like learning videos and the chat channel, like I said, so you can talk with other members, support so you can ask me direct messages. We actually just did a voice call in there just the other day. So join the Discord, you guys, because you get my ebook completely free sent to you when you join the Discord. The links are in the description for that. And then you guys can look at the VIP areas in the Discord once you become a VIP member. So definitely check out all of that content. Super valuable. There's a lot of members in there making a lot of money throughout this bull market. People's lives getting changed, millionaires getting made. Super cool to be teaching you guys this stuff. So thanks again for tuning into today's video. I genuinely appreciate every subscriber on my channel, every commenter, everybody that shares these videos. And yeah, just huge shout out to you guys. Check out the Discord, links in the description, and I look forward to seeing you guys in future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.